Hello, my name is Michael Pennington, and I am here today to teach you about a convenient tool called Quizlet. Quizlet is a free website providing learning tools for students, including flashcards, study, and game modes. Quizlet's flashcards, test, and study games make learning fun and engaging for anyone looking to learn any material. This app allows you to review material through several different avenues, including image matching and learning with audio. As you learn material, Quizlet tracks your correct and incorrect answers and retests the ones that you've missed. But best of all, you can study your material anywhere, online or with mobile apps for iPhone and Android. The goal of this instructional video today is to teach you how to access and effectively use Quizlet. So we will address two objectives in this video. One, creating a free Quizlet account, and two, creating a study set. So objective one of creating a account, you need to access a browser and go to the website, which is www.quizlet.com. From there, you will click on sign up, and you can fill out an email, username, password, or you can log in through Google or with Facebook. I will show you how to log in through email. So put in an email, put in a username, and create a password. You do not need to click either of these, and click sign up. From there, you will be prompted to buy or use free. I like to use the free Quizlet. It is gives you a lot of options, and I don't see a need really to buy it to get Quizlet Plus. But on to our objective 2, which is to create a study set. And to create a study set, you click this blue Create and click on Study Set. And we're going to give our study set a title. It could be your class, it could be whatever you're studying for. I'm going to put How to Use Quizlet. And click Create here, and we are going to put in terms. So I think there's 6 of them that they give, 5. You can always add to each term to go in. And one thing to keep in mind is that when you're adding terms, if it's a term that is common or other people have used in here, you will see it pop up. So I'm going to make a couple cards here about Quizlet. And you can see that some of these have already popped up. We'll talk about Quizlet Live. Once you have terms in here, I'll just put in 2. You click Create. And now you have your study set that you can start to learn from it. There's many ways. You can do flashcards, you can learn, which will start putting up all of your cards, and you click the right ones. Test will generate a test that is multiple choice, matching, different, select the best answer, all the above, kind of those, like a normal test that you're experiencing. And then there's 2 different games that help learn that information that you have in the subset. But this is a great way to learn any information that you're trying to learn, and it doesn't, when you play the games, it doesn't feel like you're actually studying. So I challenge you to use this for an upcoming final or upcoming test, because I find it very helpful myself. And if you should ever get stuck, need more help, you can always go to help and feedback here and search their database if you get stuck or want more help generating a study set. So hope this finds hope you find some use out of this, and I wish you the best of luck. Thank you.